Okay, today we're going to do what's called module origami. Module origami just means that you make units and then the units are put together to form an object. So this is the object that we're going to make today. It's a spinner or an ornament that can be used as a little toy or to spin, or it can also have a hook put on it or a string and be used as a hanging ornament. This one is made out of small memo cube paper. The only thing you have to have for this is 12 sheets of square paper. So you can use memo cubes, you can use whatever you have. We're going to make it out of regular origami paper today, which is 6 inches. So it'll be much larger. The size of the finished object is related to the size of the paper that you use to fold it, obviously. So, origami paper is available in a lot of craft stores and everything. This paper I happened to get as a calendar, an origami calendar that I bought on the sale table for $1 in January. So that's a good way to get a lot of paper. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make some folds so that the module folds together the way that we want it to. And the first thing we're going to do is turn our paper so that the wrong side is up and fold it diagonally across and crease it. Then we're going to fold it the other way diagonally and crease it. Then we're going to turn it so that the right side is up, and we're going to fold it in half straight across and crease it. And then we're going to fold it the other way in half straight across and crease it. That's easy enough. Now when we pick it up and we hold it with the point at the top, we'll notice that the sides come in and it forms this kind of a little pyramid. That's called a water bomb base in origami. I don't know why they call it a water bomb base, but they do. So that's the first half of our module. The second half, we're going to do almost exactly the same thing, only we're just going to reverse the order. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold the diagonals. We're going to fold inside with the right side up. Remember the other one we did the other way. The diagonals go with the right side up, and the crosswise go with the right side out. Or the wrong side up. Alright, now when you go to fold this, you'll see that it folds completely different, because now the points come to the center and you're left with sort of a little diamond shaped piece like this. That's your two pieces. You have the water bomb base and the diamond shaped base. Now what you do is you take the diamond shaped base and lay the water bomb base inside of it with the four corners lining up so that it looks like this. And now all we're going to do is fold down the little points that stick up on the sides. We're going to fold those down over the sides. Now don't make that fold too tight, because if you make it too tight, the last step is going to be a little bit harder. So leave just a little bit of room there. But all four sides will be folded down, and then the unit is going to look like this. And you can see that the inner part, or the water bomb base, is sticking out of the corners. So let's fold up another one just to make sure that we have that straight. The green one, or the diamond shaped base, is on the outside, the water bomb is on the inside, and we're going to fold the four sides where the points are down over the inside. Fold those points down, leaving just a little bit of room and not making that fold too tight at the top. Okay. Now we're going to continue folding, do all of those units to make them all look the same. And you know, origami is very easy to take anywhere because all you need is paper. You don't need scissors, you don't need glue, you don't need any other implements other than your fingers and a piece of paper. And the way that I got started on this was I broke my leg and had to spend a bunch of time sitting around. And I'm not a person that likes sitting around. So someone, my very good friend Kathy, taught me how to do some module origami. And I cut up books, I cut up wrapping paper, I did everything because I couldn't get to the store to buy origami paper. So I learned how to do it with a lot of different things. But it's really fun, and it can be done by people of all ages. In Japan, they do it, all kinds of age groups do it. But this module origami even has some mathematical connotations. People are using it in the schools to teach some advanced geometry because of the way that you can make pieces with many, many sides to them. Okay, we're almost done making all of our modules here. Folding the outside again towards the inside. Now the very last part has to do with putting the modules together. And this part is probably the hardest part, but it's really not even that hard. You pick up two of your modules, and you'll notice that on each of them there's 4 points. And you'll also notice that where the green part or the outside part comes over, there's like a little pocket. So what you're going to do is take the 2 pink points, or the 2 inside points, slip them together over each other, and then slide them together. And as they slide together, the green gets closer and closer together. It looks like that, and then they come together like that. That's your first join. Now I'm going to